Hi everyone, welcome back to another house tour. Hope you all are doing well. In my today's video, I'll be sharing with you all a comfortable 4-bedroom detached property. This is Cedarwood from Miller Homes. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. It could be useful to you. This is located at Kings Park, Leeds. The price of this property is also because of its location and also the build quality. Now going with the floor plans, in the ground floor you have a living room, study, kitchen with dining and family space, laundry and also a water closet. On the first floor you have 4 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. Now as you enter the house, you'll find a lengthy and spacious hall in front of you with various partitions made towards your living, study, kitchen and dining space and also the upstairs. For a change, let's explore the kitchen with dining spaces first. I really got attracted towards this kitchen. It's quite lengthy, spacious and the ventilation is really good in this kitchen. As you can see, it's a very beautiful kitchen with really good space. Towards one side they planned the kitchen with decent space. The worktop is covering almost the 3 sides. You're getting plenty of cupboards at the bottom and even on the top. So this integrated fridge, freezer and the oven, everything is included in the property. If you want, you can also plan a double door fridge. In this particular model they gave the induction cooking. If you want, you can go for the gas as well. There's a very big and wide window towards the kitchen side, so plenty of natural light falling towards the kitchen space. In between you're getting the French door access towards the garden. Also towards the dining space again to the other end there's another window. So plenty of light falling in this space here. It's quite big as you can see, so they planned the dining table in the middle here. But practically when you're living in such properties, you can plan the dining table towards the other side so that there will be free access towards the garden. The French doors provided also are very wide and you'll be getting a decent garden with fence around it. Towards the other corner they actually planned the family space here. As you can see, it looks very good. Overall, a decent kitchen space with good style and comfort. Now before moving to other rooms, let's check out the laundry which is coming just beside this kitchen. So this is the laundry space given here. They planned the boiler here in this laundry. You can also plan your washing machine and dryer here. There's garden access even from this laundry. They provided a door. It's a decent space. This was all about the kitchen and dining spaces. Now let's explore the living area. So this is the living room here. It's coming towards the front end. As you can see, it's a very beautiful and comfortable living room. You can plan 2 to 3 sofa sets and a TV set. The shape of the living room also is in square shape, so quite spacious. And they gave a nice window towards the front end, so plenty of natural light falling in the living space here. I also like the interiors done in this room. The color combination and everything looks very attractive. Now a lot of people watch these videos not only to buy properties but also to decorate their existing properties. So visiting show homes and watching such videos will give you a lot of information. I really like the idea of planning these mirrors in the living area, especially in the mornings when the daylight falls. It reflects through these mirrors and your room looks bigger and more attractive. Overall, a decent living room with good space. Now apart from the living room, you also have a study space here. This comes towards the front end right side as you enter the house. It's a decent study space. You can plan something here. There's again a nice window even in this study, so plenty of natural light falling in here. You also have the front visuals of the house through this study. So you can plan it as a, the initial guest room or study, anything you want to. Now just beside the study in the ground floor, you're getting the washroom. The space is quite okay. You're getting the water closet, sink, and they also gave a window here. So plenty of natural light even in this washroom. Now just opposite to this washroom, you also have another small space with door and lock. Here you can actually hang your coats and plan the shoe rack or something like that. The important thing is they also managed to give a small and nice window in the space, which is really good. I feel, even in the 3 beds and other properties as well, they should plan something like this. It's very helpful. Now before moving towards the first floor, let's also check out the small storage space which is coming under the staircase here. We covered all the rooms in the ground floor. Now let's move towards the first floor and check out the rooms there. As I told you in the beginning, on the first floor we have 4 bedrooms with 2 bedrooms having the ensuite facilities and a common family bathroom. So this is our first bedroom. It's a double bedroom with ensuite, but it's not the master bedroom. The master bedroom is a little more bigger than this. So as you can see, it's a double bedroom. The space is quite okay. You can easily plan a double cot or a king size bed, and there's a decent room space to walk around. They've given a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. They also planned the wardrobes towards the other side. So this is the wardrobe space here. And towards the opposite side again, you have some good space wherein you can plan your dressing table and things like that. And the ensuite is coming just opposite to it. I like the way they plan the ensuite here because normally it will be facing towards the bed. Here, because they gave it towards the side, it does not disturb the bedroom. The space is quite okay. They gave the shower cubicle, you have the water closet, sink, and also a nice window. So there is ventilation even in the bathroom here. The corridor space in this house also is really good. You don't feel suffocated and congested here. Now let's check out the second bedroom of the house. This is actually the master bedroom. So in this master bedroom, you also have the dressing room and the ensuite attached. So this is the bedroom. The space is really good. Now it's a regular double bedroom, but because they gave the ensuite and a separate dressing room, it looks spacious and comfortable. The idea is really good, here because you need to only plan the bed. You can plan a king size bed and it's quite comfortable. There's decent space to walk around and you're getting a nice window, so plenty of natural light falling in the bedroom. So towards the other corner you can plan a small dressing table like this. I also like the idea of giving a separate dressing space like this here, wherein you can plan the wardrobes inside and have a decent space to change. And this is the attached bath. It's comparatively a bigger ensuite here than the other room. It's a fully tiled bathroom. You have the shower cubicle, sink, and water closet. And there's an exhaust. They actually gave a window in the dressing room, but there's no window in the bathroom. Overall, a decent bedroom with really good space and style. I really like the idea of having the dressing room like this. Now let's check out the third bedroom of the house. So this is the third bedroom. It's again a double bedroom, as you can see. You can plan a double cot bed and there's really good space to walk around. You're getting a nice window towards one side, so plenty of natural light falling in this room. They also planned a wardrobe in here, so you have space even to plan a decent wardrobe like this, or a bigger one than this you can plan. So this can be used as a kids room, guest room, or anything you want to. Now just beside the third bedroom, you're getting the fourth bedroom of the house. This is the smallest bedroom in the house. It's slightly bigger than the single bedroom, but again smaller than the double bedroom. It can be used as a kids room or computer room, anything you want to. You can plan a small cot like this, or you can plan something else, whatever you like. You're still getting a nice window even in this room, so plenty of natural light falling in the room. Now beside this fourth bedroom, we are getting the common family bathroom. This is the family bathroom. You have the bathtub, water closet, sink, and they also gave a walk-in shower in this bathroom. You're still getting a nice wide window here, so plenty of natural light falling in this bathroom. Actually, as you enter, you don't feel that there's a walk-in shower. It's planned towards the other side. So the space for the tub and the walk-in shower are planned really well. It doesn't look congested, and you don't feel like the space is blocked. Now beside the common bathroom, you're getting a small space wherein they planned the water heater here. They also planned a door and lock even for this space. So we covered all the rooms in this property. It's a decent property for good price. You'll be getting a 2 car park space in the front here and also a garage. So these are the front visuals of the house. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and feel free to activate the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.